If you want to know if you can add a collaborator after posting on Instagram, then the answer would be yes, you can, and it's a fantastic way to share your post with another profile. When you edit the post to invite someone, it appears on both profiles once they accept. Once your collaborator accepts the invite, the post will show on their profile, but it'll be based on the original posting time. This means it's best to coordinate with them and make sure they accept the invite quickly, so the post doesn't get buried by newer content. To add a collaborator, start by tapping the three dots in the top right corner of your post. Then, select Edit. If you're on mobile, you'll find the Add Collaborator option next to your username. Once you tap it, type in the username of the person you want to invite and confirm. After that, it's just a matter of waiting for them to accept. If they accidentally decline, no worries, you can send the invite again. There are some limitations to keep in mind. You can't add a collaborator to posts shared only with your close friends. The feature is only available for posts visible to all followers or shared publicly. And if the option to add a collaborator disappears, it could be a glitch. Some users have found success by typing the username manually or reinstalling the app, but these methods don't always work. If nothing helps, you can always tag the person in your post. And that's it. Adding a collaborator on Instagram after posting is simple and can boost your reach and engagement. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips. See you in the next video.